implemented in other LGUs? Because largely, there are a lot more LGUs that are paper-based. What does it take for an LGU to leave that paper-based transaction?
Funny that. So it's a half a joke. No, so first and foremost, it's true. We are actually very digital, and not surprising that you mentioned Estonia, because actually in 2019 when we started, our model was Estonia. So in fact, in Quezon City, the model was to copy Estonia, which at the time had 99.9% of all government transactions you could do online. So the instruction here was to do the same, make sure that everything can be done online. So hopefully, I think with business permit, they've achieved that. And in terms of the three other LGUs to happen, it's run it as a joke, but it's true. We are fortunate in Quezon City that we have the resource to be able to digitalize at the pace that we were. So in 2019, actually, for those who were here at the time, nothing was digital. Today, almost everything is digital, and you do that in a 5-year stretch. But that's partly because there's enough resource behind it. But secondly, and this is actually the more important part, is you need to have reality and the leadership behind it too. So in our case, Mayor Joy is a very strong advocate of good governance, which really should just be governance, except that it's not always good. In the Philippines, we say good governance. But you need the leadership behind it to back it. Right? With limited resources, we could have funneled it into many different areas. But Mayor Joy is a very strong advocate of automating and digitalizing and streamlining and making it more transparent. And so a lot of the resources were funneled to it. Now, with respect to how to have other LGUs follow, I think it's twofold. One is you have the national government for the small LGUs, perhaps help build systems. These small LGUs cannot afford. The second approach is, and this is something we tell LGUs, is you're not big enough. Well, you and your neighbors are. So perhaps it's not a one system per city, but it might be a provincial system if you are small enough. Collectively, you have enough resources. And there really should be no difference between one municipality or another within a province. If they were all on the same system, it would be much easier to do business there. And which might make sense. I mean, in our case, we have our own system because it's 3.2 million citizens, 80,000 businesses. But I'm not about to tell the municipality with 1,000 businesses to copy us. They will bankrupt themselves because it's just not efficient enough.